How do I switch between the laptop display and the PS4 display when connected via HDMI?
Welcome to this simple guide on how to switch between laptop and PS4 displays when connected via HDMI. This video will provide you with a step-by-step process to help you achieve this easily. This skill is particularly useful for those wanting to use their laptop as a secondary display for their PS4, or for those wishing to alternate between work and gaming. Remember, the key to success is following these steps carefully.
What do you need?
Before we begin, ensure you have the following. 1. Your laptop. This will act as the secondary display for your PS4. 2. Your PS4 console. This will be the primary device whose display you want to switch to and from. 3. An HDMI cable. This is to connect your PS4 to your laptop. 4. A video capture card. This is necessary for transferring the HDMI signal from your PS4 to your laptop.
How do you set up your hardware?
Setting up your hardware properly is the most crucial step. Let's get started. 1. Connect your HDMI cable to your PS4. 2. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your video capture card. 3. Now, connect the video capture card to your laptop via a USB port.
How do you switch between displays?
Now that everything is set up, let's learn how to switch between displays. 1. Start by turning on your PS4 console. The PS4 display should appear on your laptop screen via the video capture card software. 2. To switch back to your laptop display, simply minimize or close the video capture card software window. This will return you to your laptop's original display. 3. To return to the PS4 display, open the video capture card software window again. Remember, switching between displays does not turn off or interrupt your PS4 gameplay. It merely switches the view from the PS4 to your laptop and back. And there you have it. You've learned how to switch between laptop and PS4 displays when connected via HDMI. We hope this guide has been helpful and made your gaming and work life a bit more integrated and convenient. Happy gaming, and don't forget to take breaks from the screen.